Lying in my bed, I hear the clock tick and think of glue. Why does my mixing bowl for eggs now smell like it too? In the couch, it's on the rug, it's in my hair. And where's all my Tupperware? If it's lost, you can look and you will find it. With slime after slime, and our home is now like a meth lab for kids. Slime after slime, and if you take her glue, she will have a fit. Slime after slime, and all day they are watching the YouTube vids of slime after slime. If it gets on your hands, my gosh, it's so sticky. She is a hoarder and won't throw any of them away. She says it doesn't stick to anything. She's flipping lying, and she says it's okay because it's homemade. Slime after slime, but it costs a lot more than silly putty. Slime after slime, and she took my saline solution away. Slime after slime, and now I have to store it in the slime after slime, slime after slime, slime after slime, slime after slime. I gotta get it out. Let's smell.
It looks like vomit. Okay, go.
This is what I do for our family.
Oh, please.
Okay, where am I going? Where do I go?
Go to the sink.
Okay.